You are now live.
Hello everybody, happy Easter. We're here in our kitchen making sweet avocado eggs from our book today, which is really fun and really fun creative project. So I'm going to show you like the main stages of the recipe. You have the recipe in your newsletters and blogs this week, so you can check all the details there. Or if you have your book, even better, it has nice beautiful pictures and all the instructions on how to make it. And as we made it today, and we made it a few times over the years and many times in the restaurant, it's very easy actually and very fun. So we have these amazing organic avocados that I wanted to show you. The avocados come in many shapes and forms, not just the regular kind of shape and form. And we have Joe Gazdar behind the camera. You wanna say hi?
Labas Remigues.
Okay, so what we're gonna do, we first put avocados in the fridge so they're cold and easier to peel. And then we're gonna peel.
And so the chocolate sticks to them, right?
And then, and so the chocolate sticks to them. So we're gonna peel the avocado whole. Don't cut it first. Do you have any tips, Joe?
Well, these Hass avocados, the common variety, seem
They're
to be
super
easiest
easy to
to peel whole.
Okay. So step 2 is we're gonna cut it
It's a lot harder to peel an avocado once you cut it in half.
lengthways. It's a pretty delicate job.
Pachamama says, chocolatey, drooly face. Hi, Pachamama.
Yeah, we have chocolate.
Just made fresh chocolate.
Okay, so we access
Bain-Marie method.
the bone.
Ooh. You're deboning the avocado.
Yeah.
You want to use the knife?
I'm not such an expert on the knife deboning.
Let me do it.
Got it.
We want to keep our fingers.
Yeah, okay. Okay.
Ooh, good, nice big hole on this one.
Yeah. So the trick is, you can try scooping some inside avocado to make the hole bigger, so that you can fill some more mango filling. Because avocado, as it is, it's quite bland in flavor. So if you don't scoop it out, it's just gonna be super creamy and bland inside your chocolate. So we do try to scoop out a little bit, but not too much, because it still needs to maintain the structure. So it's kind of a little bit of trial and error when you first start, but always err on the side of less.
Wave from Stella. Ciao, Stella.
Ciao.
Hi. Bonjour, Emma Plateau.
Okay, so 1/2 done. Any tips, Joe, on scooping?
Just be delicate. You don't want to scoop too much out the middle of the avocado,
Yes,
otherwise
yes,
it'll
yes.
fall apart. Use a nice pointy teaspoon to get in there to be more precise tool. And of course you can fill the filling with different things. You can fill the center of the avocado with chocolate and make it like a feast ice cream bar, which is where the inspiration came from.
Yeah, this recipe was kind of created, dreamed by Joel many years ago, because of his affinity to the feast bar, which I don't even know what it is, because I'm, a bit of an alien.
Beam me up, Aiste.
But I love these. So, mango filling. What's in our mango filling? We have dry mango.
Rehydrated,
Rehydrated because it's more intense in flavor. And the mangoes tend to be ripe, organic, and very easily accessible and cost effective. So we use dry mangoes a lot, and we added some cream coconut, which is
So we soak the dried mangoes.
here.
And we could have used some coconut bliss or some any type of cream
So the
coconut.
filling needs to be quite sharp, quite tangy, because it needs to balance out the creamy, fatty middle layer of avocado. So
we've got some
bear that in
extra
mind.
coconut sugar in there that we
Show us
ground
this
extra
little-
fine. Here's 2 we made earlier. So we're going to, just a reminder, we're going to double coat it in chocolate. We're going to let the first layer of chocolate set And then another one. So Aiste is scooping in the stuff there. Mango puree. So mango rehydrated, blended with creamed coconut, a little bit of extra coconut sugar because it's quite tangy. We want them to be really sweet mangoes. Plus they've got to make up for the blandness of the avocado, as Aiste said. And then you can put a little bit of dried ginger powder in there or fresh ginger if you like a bit of spice.
Yeah.
Did we put the vanilla in that bit?
That was an extra freestyle thing. It's not in the original recipe, but why not? Okay, so we're putting the mango together.
No, turning it over,
we're not putting it
face
together.
down. Like that.
Yeah.
I've got it on a silicone dehydrator sheet here.
And now the most fun part that everyone loves. Chocolate.
How did the chocolate get made, Aiste?
Chocolate got made by melting gently over a double boiler method type setup.
What kind of chocolate did you use?
Peruvian 100% paste with some cacao butter and some coconut sugar powdered so that it's not bitty. Okay, and that's where your creativity comes to play. So you can either do patterns like this, you can coat avocado as a whole. Be generous, because the more chocolate you have, the more it'll be fun for you to eat it later.
So you see the refrigerated avocados we used are making the chocolate set temperature wise.
Yeah.
Here's some we made a second ago with the first layer. We're going to put another layer of chocolate on those now, maybe.
I want to cover the side as well.
Oh, so we're going to cover both sides. Of course, you could put both halves together as well as another option and stick it on a stick. Or put it in a...
There's many creative solutions and ideas that you can play around with. Basically, this is just a good playground for your imagination during this Easter holiday.
Cześć, Agata.
Cześć. Okay, so here you go. We covered our avocados, and now you can decorate them. You can make some white chocolate, which we haven't made yet, but we might make some in a bit, using just cacao, butter and sweetener.
Hey, Vid.
So you can play with colors, you can play with textures, you can play with fruit. This is a great project to do with kids or with your whole family and get everyone involved. And trust me, it's gonna be delicious afterwards.
You heard that hint, Vid? We want to see pictures of you doing this with the kids.
Ta-da! So now we're gonna stick it in the freezer. Because it needs to cool fast. It's less mess if it cools fast. We could stick it in the fridge as well. So it's up to you, but we basically need to set it, and once we set it, we're probably gonna add another layer so it's more chocolatey. And
Super.
we're gonna take some pictures after we finish.
Oh. Labas vegan che fruta.
Okay.
Freedom
so
fighter. Thank you,
for watching.
Aiste.
Thank you for tuning in.
Thank you for this beautiful recipe. I'm going to eat some for you.
Actually, maybe we can try a little bit of this one, just to show how it looks like. Dun, dun, dun.
And this one we didn't let it set fully,
No,
so it's a
not
bit
fully
gooey.
set.
But it's delicious, and that's all that matters because we just made it.
Yeah. Thank you for watching.
Thanks everyone. Sending you loads of love.
And cacao gathering tonight at 7.
Wow. Cacao gathering tonight. Ceremony with music, prayer, celebration. 7 p.m. tonight. Links on Instagram.
Bring your own cacao, but if you
Bring
don't have
your own
any,
cacao.
that's fine.
Bring your magic herbal potions, teas.
Just bring yourself.
Bring yourself.
Doesn't matter.
You are the ceremony, you are the medicine.
Bash.
Bash. Peace. Love you all. Thanks.